Good evening, everyone. I am glad to have been selected to receive an award to make an impact on transforming classroom education to online education during COVID times. First of all, I would like to thank IT Guru Awards team for initiating such a project and acknowledging IT teachers for their good work. From the very beginning, like filling up nomination form to submitting presentation, resume or testimonials like videos, etc., the process was easy. At every step, we have been provided support by the team. I would also like to mention the proficiency test. The platform was very user friendly and free of glitches. Thanks to IT Guru Awards team. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank school's management who has always trusted me and supported me whether to start Zoom classes or switching to MS Teams. We faced issues like sending homework, conducting quizzes, but we started with ERP by EduNext, which was of great help in this difficult time. I am also grateful to my heads, Ms. Rupali Kudesia, our Vice Principal, who had sent me the nomination mail and motivated me to fill up the form. Ms. Leena Singhal, Primary Headmistress, Ms. Aparna Chandra, Pre-Primary Head, for their continuous guidance. This journey would not have been possible without the support of my department and students. At the end, I would like to thank each one of you for your constant support and cooperation. Thank you.
IT gurus of the world, my salutations to each one of you. You have done an awesome job all these months during the pandemic. You have learnt new skills. You have found out new ways of reaching out to the children in a remote environment. You have trained your fellow colleagues. You have ensured that the teaching and learning did not suffer even in a virtual environment. You have also ensured that the teachers had the necessary infrastructure to reach out to the children, make their classes engaging and active. You have ensured the teachers and students are connected throughout this difficult period. It not only has taken care of their cognitive needs, but it has also ensured that they are socially and emotionally well taken care of. The country, the entire education fraternity acknowledges and recognizes the great effort that you have made. I compliment EduNext for their innovation and their initiative in recognizing you. That is the recognition of the society. EduNext, you have been doing a great job yourself, and by bringing the IT gurus to our conscience and their effort ensures that you care for us, you care for the society, you care for technology, and you also care for teaching and learning of the children. Thank you all very much.
Thank you EduNext for giving me this prestigious IT Guru Awards 2020. I am deeply honored to receive this award. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to my director, sir, my principal, ma'am, and all my well-wishers. Thank you.